Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix no sound during calls on Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin! First, let's just go through the basics. Whenever you click the volume buttons, you usually change the media volume itself. You can click the three dots in it to actually change different things, like for example the alarm sound and notification sound. And if you go all the way down, you will disable notifications. Just like that. And you can also enable Do Not Disturb mode through here. And you will notice that we can't really change the call volume now. That's an issue, and that's kind of shame. Even if you go to the settings, and even if you would go to sound and vibration, you will notice that we can't really change the call volume itself. But that doesn't mean that we cannot really change it. Well, at least not right now. We can only change the call volume whenever someone calls us. Then, when we click either of those buttons, you can actually change the volume of the person that you're hearing. But why am I telling you this? Well, there is a very high chance that you might, maybe by accident, just set it to very low value. Or alternatively, you have a Bluetooth device connected. As you can see, I do have my earbuds. These are random earbuds, but whenever I will open them, they should automatically connect exactly to my phone. Now, what's really important is that now they are the one that's receiving the signal from our call. So they're the one that are playing sound and are using the microphone. So if you have some troubles with hearing the other person via the Bluetooth call, I would just advise you to make sure that you don't have any Bluetooth devices connected, and you can easily do that by just by disabling the Bluetooth itself. Now you have ruled out any other devices, and now they are out of the picture, and your phone is the one that should be receiving the call. And if it's still not working for whatever reason, I would just advise you to reboot your phone. You can do that by pressing and holding power button and then clicking reboot twice. Let me just try it once again. Boom! Now I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, it does really help. Whenever you reboot your device, you're rebooting every single system, including stuff like speakers, microphone, the ability to call people even. So having a nice reboot should give all of the systems a fresh start, and maybe they will start working again. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.